Hello, I am the doctor, and I'm going to show you. No, 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 no. Now I'm going to do a Sonic Driver review. Oh, I forgot. No, what is this? I know that scissors are down here. You know what's in the TARDIS, and it's your first time. You just have problems finding everywhere. Well, let's unbox this. Hope I don't cut myself. Let's see what is in it. What is this? What is... Oh! It's my new Sonic! Isn't that wonderful, eh? Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that little intro. This is Trevorman5 unboxing the 11th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. I just got this like a couple of days ago. It's finally here. I'm excited. I'm freaking out like a fangirl inside right now. But I'm not gonna say anything about guy code. But I am excited. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! And here it is. You peel off the tape on the top just to open it. You take it out. There's all instructions. I believe these take the same battery types. Here they are, anyways. As the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Which is what I have right here. Which doesn't work anymore. It's kind of hard to get this thing out. I don't want to ruin it just in case I want to sell it and get another one. Oh. First of all, let's talk about the feeling before I put the batteries in. The feeling is nice. The detail is good, not extremely good as in it's so detailed like it is in the series, but it is good. I mean, this is where, of course, people probably say already, this is where the leather is supposed to be. The grappling's nice. The third button's right here. That's for when it's in extended mode. Mine doesn't click, so I'm guess mine's gonna hang out, but I won't really be bothered by that, now will I? That was not supposed to happen. Okay, for you to put the batteries in, you want to grab both sides, twist it a little till you feel a little click or a little stub happen. Then you just want to take it out. There we go. Now where is it? Oh, here it is. Here's my screwdriver for the screwdriver. Oh, gotta go to the smaller side. I don't want to wreck this thing. Now, I have heard that there have been, like, some situations where one of the screws have been, like, loose or something. So you need to watch out for that. Ah, there we go. Now, when I first watched review episodes of this on YouTube, I did not know how you were supposed to, like, put the batteries in. And so I figured out there were two screws right here. Luckily, this thing comes with batteries. We'll take a look at the box later. And to get these batteries out, I was right, because I did the same thing with my 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. They have little holes in the back for you to like grab like a hairpin or something, so you could push them out when they're dead. So, I got a paper pin. So then when that's done, when it's facing this way, make sure the positive side, it'll say positive on the top, is flipping down. So it's basically backwards when you put it in. So then you put it back in. There we go. As you can hear, it makes two different sounds. A high-pitched one, and a low-pitched one. Now, I've heard if you do, press it 3 times. You get that. 4 times. Now, I'm not going to use those a lot because I heard it could also break the sound clip if you use those too much, so yeah. So, comparison, sound comparison. You can barely hear this one. That's much louder. This one used to be louder, but it's not anymore. So, size comparison. This is still a little bit taller. It's about the same size, but a little bit taller, just to be exact. Ah, I love the feel of this thing. Now, let's get to the box. When you take a look at the box, you see the new Doctor Who logo, the 11th Doctor sonic screwdriver, light and sound effects, spring-loaded extending action, gives you a tip of the batteries on the back, gives you a bunch of warnings and stuff, barcode. Now this was, here we go, this was manufactured in the US by Underground Toys. It's manufactured by something else in the UK, probably by like BBC themselves, I don't know. But that's it for me, guys. Like, subscribe, and add to your favorites. Ah, new one. Lovely. I'm sorry, I had to do that. It's just like, I just watched the rest of the 11th hour in HD, which is awesome. It was awesome. I like doing the way Matt Smith does it. Instead of just like pushing the top, I like doing this one. I don't think you're supposed to, but hell, I have a job now. I can just get another one. See you guys. Like, subscribe, and add to your favorites. And I'll see you later. Bye.